Have you ever wondered where does this WhatsApp backup stored on Google Drive? Today in this video we'll see how you can get to this WhatsApp backup location on your Google Drive app too. So I'll start from the starting. I'll just let me clear this app and I'll show you the step-by-step easy process. Okay, on your mobile just open the Drive app. Okay, tap on the Drive app. At the left top corner you will see this three horizontal bars, which is for more options. You need to click on that. And previously, for few of the users, if the Google Drive is not yet updated, you will see the backup options here. See, currently I don't have the backup options on my Google Drive app because this Google Drive app on my mobile is updated. For few users, there will be backup options. You need to click on the backup options. For people who doesn't have that option, you need to click on storage option. Okay, click on the storage, and here if you click on this drop down, you'll see the WhatsApp storage here, but there is no clickable option. We need to click on this cleanup space. So once you click on cleanup space here, actually you'll get, once you scroll down, you'll get this WhatsApp option. Okay, tap on this WhatsApp option, but let me tell you few things. You cannot open the charts or the images or the videos which are backed up in the charts in the WhatsApp. The things you can do is two things. You can delete the backup, the first thing, and the other thing is you can restore this backup on a new mobile. For these two things you can use this, but you cannot read the charts. Okay, let me click on this WhatsApp. Yeah, see here there is a option called manage on WhatsApp. If I click on that, this will directly goes to WhatsApp. Say for example, this is the new mobile. If you click on this, there will be restore option when you click on this. And if you want to restart this backup, restore, you can just click on restore and restore all these chart backups which are available in this Google Drive storage. Or if you want this delete option, if you want to delete this backup, you can use this option and confirm the deletion. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like and share it to others so that it may be useful for others too. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.